If you're a student taking up engineering, you will encounter programs like CAM and CAD. Such programs consume a lot of power from a laptop, so you will need to invest in a laptop with specs that can handle it. The laptop you pick should have a top-notch CPU and GPU. You wouldn't want to encounter any lag or setbacks while working on a project. You should also make sure that the laptop of your choice isn't too heavy, since you will be carrying it around with you at school. Laptops that meet all the criteria for engineering students won't have the lowest price tags, but they will be a worthwhile investment since you will still use them even once you're a full-fledged engineer. Here are some of the best laptops for engineering students in 2022. Apple has always made laptops that pack a punch and make your life easier, and their latest 16-inch MacBook Pro doesn't disappoint. The laptop has a 16.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR display with Pro Motion technology, True Tone technology, and a 120Hz refresh rate that makes everything look crisp and clear. It's equipped with Apple's new M1 Pro chip with a 10-core CPU, 16-core neural engine, and 16-core GPU that makes everything run smoothly, and multitasking will be a breeze. You get 16 GB of unified memory, but you also can upgrade to 32 GB. The MacBook Pro is available in 512 GB, 1 TB, 2 TB, 4 TB, and 8 TB SSD storage. The latest 16-inch model doesn't have the touch bar anymore, but you still get a Touch ID sensor. The laptop's battery life is also superior to its competitors because one full charge gives you up to 21 hours of battery life. Like older MacBooks, this model also comes with a FaceTime HD camera, but it's now 1080p rather than the older 720p. The laptop also has a unique high-fidelity 6-speaker sound system with force-canceling woofers. It supports Bluetooth 5.0 wireless technology and 802.11ax Wi-Fi 6. You might no longer need a USB hub for the laptop because, aside from the 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports, you get one HDMI port and one SDXC card slot. If you can afford the MacBook Pro 16 inches hefty price tag, you can expect to have a laptop that will be a great helping hand for your engineering classes. The Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 is a powerful laptop that offers the endurance most engineering students need from a computer. It features a 14-inch Full HD display with thin bezels that give it a sleek and modern look. It has a 120Hz refresh rate, so it would also make a great gaming laptop if you want to take a break from your engineering projects. The laptop comes with a 2.9 GHz AMD Ryzen 7 8-core processor and 8 GB RAM, so you won't have trouble loading heavy programs or games. The graphics you get from the laptop's display are also top-notch since it's equipped with an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 GPU. You will still have to bring the charger with you if you plan to use the laptop for an entire day because you only get 10 hours of usage with every charge. The Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 promises an excellent network signal since it supports Wi-Fi 6 802.11ax. The laptop has Bluetooth 5.0, 1 HDMI port, 2 USB Type-A ports, 1 USB Type-C port, 1 display port and G-Sync, 1 USB Type-C 3.2 with power delivery, and 1 audio jack. Unfortunately, doesn't have a webcam, so it won't be ideal for those who always have to hop on Zoom calls. The Dell XPS 15 is everything an engineering student could want on a laptop because it's both powerful and stylish. The laptop features a 12th generation Intel Core i5-12500H processor, and it runs on Windows 11 Home. It has an Intel UHD graphics GPU and 8 GB DDR5 RAM. The lowest storage capacity Dell offers for this laptop is a 512 GB SSD. They also have 1 TB and 2 TB SSD models. The XPS 15 has a 15.6-inch Full HD++ non-touch and anti-glare Infinity Edge display with a 500 nit peak brightness. Customers can also pick a variant with a touch display and a higher resolution. The laptop has one USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port with display port and power delivery, one SD card slot, 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports with display port and power deliver, and one 3.5mm microphone/headphone jack. You can take Zoom calls with the laptop since it has a 720p at 30 fps camera with dual array microphones, but the webcam quality isn't the best.